Hey guys, it's Donald here.
Hi, I'm Andrew Stinson AIFD.
Today we're going to show you some amazing wire work coming up. Hey guys, we have Andrew here. Today we're going to show you some of the wire work he's coming up with. And actually, I'll tell you something funny. He is the first person I asked to sit down on my interview because he's so tall and just the height difference. I have to even make my chair higher to match his height. So that's funny. But other than that, Andrew, what are you going to show us today?
Well, today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool wire dragonfly out of the Oasis aluminum wire. It's perfect for you to add to your arrangements, give a nice upsell, and even add a nice accent to your plans.
Wow, this is perfect. Look difficult. Is it difficult to make?
No, it's absolutely easy.
You know, sometimes we see some of the amazing work or even wire work at the internet. You think it's really hard to do, but sometimes it's not that hard to do if someone show you, like Andrew gonna show you in a minute. So let's jump onto this.
Well, today we're going to be using the 16 gauge aluminum wire in two pieces, cut about 30 inches long. And the first piece we're going to take and we're going to basically do the same thing that you would do if you were to tie a bow and make 2 loops. And then we're going to make 2 more smaller loops. And then you can use the extra wire to bind it off and wrap around the center a few times. Take this extra and just pull it out of the way for the moment. We'll come back to that. You can shape the wings by placing your finger in, pulling, and making them a little bit more streamlined. And then we're going to take our second piece of wire and we're going to take and wrap this around again. To sort of finish it off. And what this extra bit was going to do is act as a stem that you can be able to stick it down into your arrangement. And then when we have a marker or a pen, take the rest of the wire here and you're going to be wrapping it around like so, and we can cut it off. Pull the pin out, finish off your end so that it's not, and then we'll take that first piece and finish off with a nice coil. Place it on top, and then we can pull the coil out, and there's your body, and there's your wings, and there's your dragonfly.
Wow, this is so easy to do. I thought it would take longer than that.
It's nothing. It absolutely takes some couple of seconds.
And this is so good for spring, for like a little kid's arrangement, going to hospital. That will make people smile.
Absolutely. You can't help but smile when you look at something like that.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely.
So, hey guys, if you love this video, make sure you hit the like button below and share with your friend and subscribe. So, see you next time. Bye.
Bye.